tuition. Today we'll discuss about the practice 2, February 2025 part B solutions. Now, first question is here. Find the slope of the line joining the 2 points -3, 2 and 1, -7. We know the slope of the line joining formula will be nothing but y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. That will be -7 minus -2 over 1 negative of -3. That means -7 minus 2 is -9 over 1 minus of minus is 1 plus 3 is 4. So option C is the correct one. Which of the following is the correct statement? Any two similar figures are always congruent. This is not correct because suppose the radius of the circle of radius is 2 centimeters cannot be congruent to radius of circle 3 centimeters. So next one, any two isosceles triangles are always similar. No. Two sides of isosceles triangles can be the equal in measure, but the third side cannot be different. That's why this statement also not true. Any two right angles always similar. This is also not true because right angle may be the equal in measure, but the remaining two sides quite different may be possible. That's why this is also not correct. Any two congruent always similar. This is right because congruent figures must have the equal in angles measure as well as the equal in sides. That's why our option is D. So we can move to the next question then. Third one. In a triangle ABC, angle A is 90, then which of the following is correct statement? Just we can draw the right triangle here. So right angle is A, the remaining two sides are B and C. According to Pythagoras theorem, the hypotenuse BC here, BC square equal to remaining two sides square, AB square plus AC square. So your option is B. Next, how many pair of parallel tangent can be drawn to a circle? So we can have infinite pair of tangent we can draw. Option is D because see, suppose one circle is there, we can draw parallel tangents like this, and we can create like this. Infinite pair of parallel tangents can be drawn. So the next question, the product of roots of the equation 2x squared -7x -9 equal to 0 is. Product of the roots will be nothing but the formula will be C over A, that is constant term, over coefficient of x squared, that is -9 over 2. The option is C. In a triangle ABC, if triangle ABC is similar to triangle XYZ, angle A is 45, angle B is 50. Angle Z is nothing but angle C because the two triangles are similar, the respective angles are equal. So that's why Z measure is nothing but C measure, which is nothing but 180 minus of 45 plus 50. That will be nothing but 180 minus of 95 degrees. That will be 85 degrees. The option A. Next question. Sin square 25 plus cos square 25. According to identity, which is 1? Secant square 35 minus tan square 35. This is also 1. So option is 1 plus 1 is 2. So we can go to the option B now. The GCD of 125 and 275. So now I can take the GCD, the LCM of these two numbers. So 5 5 is 25. 125 now 5 25 is 5 5 is as well as the 275 LCM I can take 5 2s and 5 5s 5 5s 25 5 5s 25 again 5 11s. So the SAF will be 5 times 5 is 25. Here also the 5 times 5 is 25 because 125 can product of 2 times 5 times 2 5 times 2 5 as well as 275 is the product of 5 times 2 5 times 2 11. So the HCF will be 5 times 2 5. So the 25 is the GCD, or we can say HCF also, option B. Next one. The number of zeros of the polynomial P of x equal to x squared plus 4x cubed -5x plus 7. Here the degree will indicate the number of zeros. The highest degree is 3. That's why the question has the 3 zeros. We can go to the option D. Question number 10. if set A will be 1, 2, 3, 4 and set B is a factor of 6. Let me write the factors of 6 are 1 6 2 3 then 6 1. So these are the factors. Now, which of the following is correct? A union will be 1 2 3 4 6. That is correct answer. A intersection B is the common elements as 1 2 3 is correct answer. A minus B, the elements of A, not in B, that will be only 4. So we can choose the option D as the correct one, or 3 are the correct. Now, I can go to next question then. If a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0 are the parallel lines. So, then the condition is very clear from the straight question. This one, a1 by a2 equal b1 by b2 but not equal to c1 by c2. The lines are inconsistent, so we can choose option B. Find the value of the discriminant of the equation 3x square negative 4x plus 5. For the discriminant, we know the b square minus 4ac is the discriminant we can call. That is nothing but coefficient of x, that is negative 4 square minus 4 times to a is coefficient of x, that will be 3, and c is a constant term, that will be the 5. So negative 4 square will be 16 minus 4 times 3 is 12. 12 5 is 60. That answer will be negative 44. So we can choose option A. Which of the following diagram shows a linear equation? This is a parabola, this is also parabola, this is a cubic polynomial. The degree is 3 because the parabola crosses the x-axis 3 times, that is a 3. This is a straight line because it crosses the x-axis only 1 0. That's why linear equation is nothing but we can see the diagram as option C. So we can move to the next question then. Question number 14. The roots of the quadratic equation. Very simple question. This is x plus 2 will be 0 or x plus 5 should be 0. X minus 5 should be 0. That is x plus 2 will be 0 is x value is nothing but negative 2, or x minus 5 will be 0 means x will be nothing but 5. So the option will be negative 2 comma 5, option A. Now, the mean of the data, that is mean already you know, sum of the observation by number of observation, that is 4 plus 5 plus 4 plus 5 plus 7 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 3 over 7 values are there. So now 4 plus 5 9, 9 plus 7 16, 16 plus 2 18, 18 plus 3 21, 21 plus 4 is 25, 25 plus 3 is 28 over 7. 7 times 1, 7 times 4, that is a 4 is the mean. Option A is the correct one. Now I can move to the next question then. If E and E complement are the two complementary events, probability of E is 3 by 4, then probability of E complement. Very simple, probability of E complement is nothing but 1 minus probability of E. That is 1 minus 3/4, that will be 4 minus 3 over 4, that option will be 1/4. So we can choose as a C option. Excuse me. The cost of 2 pens and 3 notebooks will be the 45. Which of the following statement? Which of the following statements are correct? Now the cost of pens, I can take the pens cost is 2x, the number of pens is 2x, the number of notebooks is y. That is 2 pens plus 3 notebooks, which total will be 45. I can choose option A is the correct one. Next one, the hemisphere and sphere. Sphere and hemisphere are have equal diameter. The TSA of hemisphere is 154 centimeters square. TSA of hemisphere, already we know that. Sphere, the TSA of hemisphere is 4 pi r square, whereas the TSA of a sphere will be the 4 pi r square, whereas the TSA of a hemisphere will be nothing but 3 pi r square. They given 4 times to 154, that is 4 times to 154 centimeters square, which is nothing but the for hemisphere 3 times to pi r square is 154 centimeters square. So here the option B we can choose because sphere will be 4 parts, whereas the hemisphere will be the 3 parts in area. So that's why you can choose option B is the correct one. Now we can go to the next one. We can see the figure in the diagram ABC, right angle B, according to the tan ratio, tan 45 equal to opposite side, h over 7. That is tan 45 is 1, which is equal to h over 7. Take the cross multiplication, which is nothing but 7 units. So option C we can choose is the correct one. Next, 20. If the edge of the cube is 2 centimeters, TSA of the cube. TSA is nothing but 6 square. That is 6 times 2 square. That will be 6 times 4 is 24. Area will be centimeter square. So option D we can choose the correct answer. Thank you.